Thanks for checking out my cooking channel, the place where you find nice barbecue bush style food to chef home style wonderful delights. I'm also doing 4 cookbooks a year, which will have a cooking series to go with that. If you're kind enough to purchase my cookbooks, I'm going to give back to you. I'm going to give some incentives, and it's not just a little cash here and there. I'm going to give giveaways from my chef shop, cash prizes, and in a small allocated time, if I reach my target, a wonderful Caribbean vacation. So stay tuned for that one. I'm Chef Sherlock, and this is my channel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now it's time to hang my ducks. Now it's time to prepare lunch. These now are ready for the fire. Okay, so we're going to place them in the fire, right? And we leave that now until the bamboo gets black on all sides. That's rule of thumb that says the least cooked is good. So let's go and taste your black pudding.
Yeah.
And as you can see, right here, round the top of the bread, it's starting to brown on all sides. Look at that. Welcome to this week's Wicked Wild Barbecue. Today I'm going to make a 12 spice rabbit on a shovel. Here's how it works. I'm making a lottery system. So if you're kind enough to purchase the book, what you have to do is send me the receipt to this email on the screen. And I will put you in my lottery system. Third prize, anything from my shop for $20, I'll ship to you anywhere in the world. Anything for $30 for the second prize, sent to you also anywhere in the world. First prize, a cash wire transfer to you wherever you are, okay? That's the first set. And then here's the great thing is your name goes back into the lottery system. So you continue to keep on winning. And that's also good for you and me because that entices you to promote my channel and my books and things, right? The next one will be over 500 purchases. I will ump up the prizes every time the 500 purchases, one after that, right? Now here's the big prize. If I can get 10,000 downloads by the end of December 31st, 2018, 3 huge prizes. Third place, $500 cash sent to you wherever you are. Second place, $1,000 also sent to you wherever you are. First place, big grand prize is a Caribbean vacation for 2. I will fly you into the beautiful exotic island of St. Lucia here in the Caribbean. You will stay for 1 whole week at the St. James Club, a nice beautiful deluxe hotel here, which is all inclusive. Yes, folks, all inclusive. That means the drinks and the booze and the booze and the food is all on me too. And I will also show you around my beautiful island, this beautiful exotic island. We'll go out and do some barbecues and bush cooking. That is my incentive to give back to you, because if you're kind enough to give to me, you also, by purchasing my book, you help me to create a little team around me, so you'll be helping me to create jobs. And also, you know, that's a 1 in 10,000 opportunity to win a vacation, folks, right? And that will happen 4 times a year. Isn't that wonderful? So all you have to do is very simple. Subscribe to my channel, then you know what's going on. Like all my social media, that is also very, very important. And to purchase my book, click on the Chef Shop icon at the end of the video. That will take you to my website. And from there, you will see a sign saying purchase a book here. And then you can decide if you want ebook or hard copy or paperback. It's also in paperback. So don't forget to subscribe, folks, by clicking here right over my shoulder. And guess what? Bon appetit, happy cooking, folks, and let's get going with this. Can't wait.